Hello, my name is Andy Tejo-Prasetyono, Product Marketing Manager for SMC Corporation of America. SMC Corporation, we are headquartered in Noblesville, Indiana. It's a comprehensive manufacturer of automation, control, and process components for various industries such as semiconductor, automotive, machine tool, food and packaging, life science, and the others. So SMC, we provide advanced technical services, custom-made products. Our main products are pneumatics, but we also manufacture sensors, electric actuators. Then, along with our production capability to provide stable supply of products on a global scale, SMC, we have a lot of products, and because of our breadth of products, makes us a one-stop shop for automation product supply. And also the good thing with SMC is we're not afraid of taking on inventory. That's not what we are afraid to do, and we work with our channel partners to stock commonly used items. We have the production capability. That's the big thing, to provide the stable supply of products on a global scale. Right, and again, SMC's breadth of products makes us a one-stop shop for automation product supply. And the next thing is also, we are not afraid of taking on inventory, and we work with our channel partners to stock commonly used items. We partner with Rockwell and also with Rockwell distributors. I think along with our extensive direct technical sales, that allows customers to easily integrate SMC and Rockwell solutions in their control system. So that reduces setup time, commissioning, and troubleshooting. In addition to that, I think the SMC and Rockwell footprint, our global presence, allows customers to easily scale up, to receive excellent support beyond their borders. No matter their location, SMC and Rockwell most probably will be there.